Yo. Alright, so I found some Flowmaster Super 44s on Craigslist yesterday, so we on the way to go grab these today. Got the kiddos with us. But yeah, we out here in Dallas, North Carolina. And about to pick these up. Got them for $100 for a pair.
Lambo 2 and I'm speeding. Sunday she calling me baby. You don't need no the menu. Good gas got him fatty. Will it be me got him dreaming. All black got me trendy. Red cool, red feather. Break the law, don't bend it. Say your money, don't spend it. Do the shit, don't think about it. Boy, your diamonds looking hella cloudy.
Well, these ain't the original box that came in, of course. These are pipes. But yeah, in there. Still got a little sticker left on them. They about brand new. Super 45s. I don't know if I'll take them out later. But yeah, the guy had them on that truck up there, and he said it was too loud for him. So he sold to me for $100. I'm excited. Alright, so got the Flowmasters back to the crib. I'm about to show you what they look like. Should have had check these ones for real. Check one of them, check both. But yeah, like I was saying, these we still got stickers on them. These right here, they still in great condition. Saying he only drove them for 100 miles, so I believe him. They look good. Paint still good on them. Gotta check the other one. And as expected, other ones look good too. Same condition, still got a little bit of sticker left on them. Paint still look good on them. Ain't all rusted and everything. This is a great come up right here. 100 for both of them. I definitely saved roughly a little bit over $100. So yeah, it's lit. Got it dropped off at the shop. Probably gonna think they'll swap their cross member out before they do the duels. So let me hop online tonight and see what's the what. But yeah, it's looking good though. Yeah, she ready to go. See that was look like before I dropped down. Just in case some shit happened. Alright. So yeah, that's that cross member I was talking about. Yeah, my car didn't have it. I had to get a better one. So this is one I got off Facebook. It's actually like a $200-300 cross member. Got it for $100. Got off Facebook. Made a few phone calls. The homies brought it from Fayetteville to Charlotte. So I was supposed to get this also on Thursday, Friday. Here it is Monday. So I'm about to take it up there now. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning out here. About to take it up there now, so they can put it on. We can run the duels. But this is what they be talking about with the two humps and the cross member. Original one only got one, so you can only run singles. But yeah, gotta run them duels. But yeah, we back on track. It's lit. Finally got the Cutlass back. About to see what she sound like. Too excited, boy. Let's see what she sound like. Yes, sir. I'm talking about. I smell that gas. I smell that gas. Cut dog made it to Waxhaw. Yeah, I already know how to pull up on Cotto. Take that Monty out. I gotta get that weather in right. You know how it is. The boy got that 87 Aero Coupe. SS. 11,000 miles. Look at that. That's a trophy right there, boy. You don't find them like that.
That's a needle in the haystack, right?
Ready. front view. Yeah, we about to go crazy.